Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Unity tip, I'm going to show you how to auto-slice multiple sprites from a single sprite sheet in just a few seconds. Click the Sprite Editor button below. If you haven't installed the 2D Sprite package, Unity will prompt you to install it. Once the Sprite Editor opens, go to the top left and click on the Slice button. In the Slice settings, choose Type, Automatic, and hit Slice. Unity will now detect the individual sprites and slice them automatically based on transparency and borders. You can also adjust the pixels per unit, or padding if your sprites have space between them. Once you're happy with the result, just click Apply in the top right corner. Now, you'll see all your individual sprites ready to use in the project window. You can drag them into your scene, use them in animations, or set them up in your UI. And that's it. A super quick and easy way to auto-slice your sprite sheets in Unity. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Unity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.